Welcome back to another video of Theory of Computation. In this video, we are solving another multiple choice question related to theory of computation. So let's start with our question. Our question is to prove set A equals to L of G. What can be the correct option? Our option A is it is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. Is it enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A? Or both the above options of comments A and B are to be proved. Let's find the correct option. So the explanation of all the options are A. It is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. This statement implies that if we demonstrate that any string from set A can be generated by the grammar G, then it covers all possible strings in A. However, it does not address the other part of the proof, which is showing that all strings generated by G are member of A. Therefore, this option alone is not sufficient. Option B. It is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. This statement suggests that if we can prove that any strings generated by grammar G belongs to set A, then it covers all strings generated by G. However, it does not address the other part of the proof, which is demonstrating that all the strings in A can be generated by G. Therefore, this option is alone is not sufficient. Option number C is both the above option A and B are to be provided. This option is actually correct. To prove that A equals to L of G, we need to demonstrate both that any string from set A can be generated by the grammar G and that any string generated by G belongs to set A. Option B, therefore A and B need to be proved. And our option last, that is D, is either of the above comments A or B is to be proved. This option is not correct because proving either option A or option B alone is not sufficient to establish our function which is A equals to L of G. Both aspects are necessary to complete the proof. So for that reason, our correct option is C, that is both the above comments A and B are to be proved. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet soon again.